This is a demo of TurboPK's HEI Projectile Grid tool. An HEI projectile is an explosive projectile which is designed to detonate inside target, inside and past the armor. Let's select HEI Projectile Grid. You can see we can define a grid with a given spacing and azimuth and elevation, which determines the orientation of the grid. So a 90 elevation puts the grid above the target with the projectiles coming down on it. Our spacing's about a foot. The delay distance is a delay after impact on the target. It's specifically a distance. The number of samples, 20 per burst point, and let's give it a 300 feet per second projectile speed. And let's put the warhead a little bit behind the nose of the weapon itself and turn on all the effects. Now we don't see the burst points. And the reason for that is because our burst points are going off inside the target, and they're only pictured with points where they burst with the PK used to color the burst point. You can see most of them are red. We had turned on blast effects, and when I loaded this target, I realized I put an enormous amount of charge mass in there, 10 kilograms. So the blast is having a large effect around those blast vulnerable components and those plates on top. Now those white dots are burst points that went off inside of a solid component, and they're not counted as part of the PK. Let's try turning off blast effects. It does make a little bit of a difference. Let's increase the delay distance a little bit. Won't be a big effect, but it will change the calculation. And we're going to change the grid spacing as well. Make it a little bit more dense. There we go. And that's it for this example.